What is security of tenure and what does it mean for tenants? If you are renting, can your landlord just evict you without cause? And if you are a landlord, do you have to renew every lease? The answer depends on concept called security of tenure, a key part of tenancy law in Alberta. Security of tenure means that tenants have the right to continue occupying a rental unit as long as they meet their obligations. It applies most strongly in periodic tenancies like month-to-month leases where the lease automatically renews. Tenants cannot be evicted without a legal reason. Acceptable reasons include breach of lease, example unpaid rent, landlord or family moving in, demolition, major renovation or change of use. Landlord must give proper written notice, often 3 full tenancy months for no fault reasons. Why it matters? For tenants, it protects against arbitrary eviction. For landlords, it ensures stability but also requires proper documentation and planning. Understanding this concept helps avoid unlawful eviction and unnecessary legal battles.
Tenancy law FAQs. What you should know. Can a landlord refuse to renew a lease without a reason?
Not in periodic leases. They need a legal ground and notice.
Does security of tenure apply to fixed-term leases?
No. Fixed-term leases end automatically unless renewed.
Can tenants still be evicted for no reason?
Only under fixed-term agreements. Otherwise, landlords must follow the law.